In this screen printing video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to set the off contact on your screens before you start printing. And we're starting right now. I'm Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply, and if you're looking to further your knowledge in screen printing, please consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss anything. This video is part of our playlist entitled Free Print Advice. Have you developed your own way of setting off contact on your screen printing press? Leave us a comment below. So the first thing you'll want to do is look at your press and figure out how your off contact works. I'm working on a Riley Jr. 4-color 4-station, and we have 2 off contact bolts and 2 tilt bolts. Tip number 1, handy dandy 9/16 ratchet wrench. I always keep this close to the press. It's very useful and you don't want to go looking for it, so keep it right there. First thing you'll want to do, go ahead and loosen these off contact bolts. Just takes a minute. The next thing you'll want to do is loosen your tilt bolts. Now we have everything loose. Our screen is laying right on our platen, but that's not how we want it for printing. We want it about almost a 1/4 inch off of the platen so that our mesh pops up behind the squeegee blade as it goes across the screen. What I have here is a nice, thin, rigid piece of cardboard. I'm going to use this to set my off contact. Go ahead and lift up your screen and slide the cardboard into place. Be sure not to put the cardboard all the way under the screen clamp. You only want it under the screen frame between the screen and the platen. Make sure that you push your print head all the way down into the registration gates. That's very important. Go ahead and pinch that down, and now I'm going to finger tighten my off contact bolts. Grab my 9/16 wrench. I'm going to go ahead and snug these up into place. Going to go ahead and snug my tilt bolts. You can see where this ratchet wrench is really nice to get into this tight spot here. Takes a fraction of the time as a regular wrench, so it's great. So now I have everything tightened up. We should be ready to go. Let's give it a test. Lift up our screen, pull out the cardboard, bring this down, and that is a very nice even off contact. It's even on both sides. Now it's very important that your off contact even all the way across, because if it's closer or touching the platen on one side, your print can actually look different on that side as you print your shirts. So we're going to go ahead and bring down our next color. Rinse and repeat. 9/16 ratchet wrench. Loosen these off contact bolts. And we're going to grab our cardboard. To lift up the print head here. And we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of pressure on this end of our screen so that it's equal all the way across. I'm going to go ahead and snug those bolts just finger tight. And now I'm going to snug them up using the magical ratchet wrench. How many times do I say ratchet wrench in this video? Go ahead and snug up my tilt bolts. And we should be good to go. Lift up that screen, chuck this cardboard. Ooh, that went in some ink. Bring it down, And voila, beautiful off contact. If you learned anything in this video or found it useful, please leave us a comment below. Tell us how you set your off contact. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss anything. Peace. If you love screen printing and carbonated water, watch me pound this LaCroix.